In a world that often feels heavy, love is the light we carry. Not just a feeling, but a force. A quiet whisper that changes everything. Breathe in love. Breathe out peace. Let your heart be the place where kindness begins. One smile, one word, one act of compassion ripples through eternity. Today, be the one who chooses love. Send a kind message. Forgive what weighs you down. Radiate warmth, even in silence. Affirmation: I am love, I am light, and I spread that light wherever I go. Love is more important today than ever, because we're living in a world that's increasingly fast, disconnected, and overwhelmed by fear, division, and uncertainty. Here's why love matters so deeply right now. Because the world is hurting. People are experiencing emotional burnout, loneliness, and trauma. Love is the healing balm. Whether it's compassion, empathy, or simple kindness, love reconnects what's been torn apart. Here's another one. Love is important because love dissolves fear. Fear separates. Love unites. In the face of judgment, conflict, or anxiety, choosing love creates space for understanding and transformation. Here's another one. Why is love important? Because love awakens truth. When you operate from love, you're aligned with your highest self. You speak more honestly, act more purposefully, and treat others with dignity. Love is what brings our souls home. Love is important because love spreads. One act of love, no matter how small, ripples out. It inspires more. One kind word, one embrace, one moment of patience can change someone's entire day or life. Love is important because love is who we are. At the deepest level, beyond identity, trauma, or division, we are love. Returning to love is returning to our divine essence. And the more we return, the more we help the collective awaken. In the end, what we give away is what we keep. Let your love be the legacy you leave in every moment. The world doesn't need more noise. It needs more hearts wide open. Be the quiet revolution of love. Even when no one sees it, every loving thought plants light in the unseen. Keep loving. It matters more than you know. Love isn't a weakness, it's the highest strength. When you choose love, you shift the entire world's frequency. May your love be bold, not because the world is soft, but because you are strong enough to remain tender.